In this episode, we are going to see how to scale actor in a code. Pretty simple thing. If this is too easy for you, then skip this video. If you're a total beginner, then let's go. So scaling. So information about actor scale is stored in f vector. So what is scaling? Well, if you click on this button here, as you can see now, with this, I don't know if they're arrows anymore. They're like cube arrows. They're like lines with cube. So you can scale things, as you can see here. I'm scaling right now, and I'm changing these variables here. Scale. So we got x, y, and z. So for example, x is red. As you can see, I'm changing x. Alright. So now I want to show you how to scale this door in code. So open Visual Studio, and what I actually want to do is to create a new function for those door scaling. So go to door.age and let's say void scale door. Alright, so right click, quick action, create declaration, definition. Alright, and here it is, guys. So to get a scale, we use get scale 3D. We can also use get transform, that get scale 3D, blah blah blah. But let's use get actor scale 3D. Alright, so this returns f vector, and yeah, f vector is used for storing scale. So f vector new scale equals to get actor scale 3D. And now you can access variables. We already did f vector, you know what they are. There is x, y, and z, and then we can change something, for example, and then call method set actor scale 3D. But what I want to do here is to actually use a constructor, like we did in episode where we explained f vectors. So this is what I'm going to do: set actor scale 3D f vector, and let's say 5.f, 2.f, 10.f. So we created new f vector with x, y, and z. And the reason why I'm showing you so many different ways of doing this is that you don't get confused when you're looking at some code or documentation, so that you actually know that there are many different ways of doing this. Alright, so we need to call this function from begin play, so scale door. And what I just realized now is that for some reason I don't have a semicolon here. Alright. And now I will press Ctrl plus F5 to compile this. And I'll click on simulate, and boom, door is scaled. As you can see, 5 to 10. So that's how you can change scale from code. So no exercises for today, because this was a pretty simple concept, and thank you for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.